Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on your LENOVO G70. If you want to boot from a USB drive, first you need to shut down the laptop if it's currently on. So let's press on the start, then this power icon and shut down. And once you shut it down, wait for like half a minute to make sure that it's fully off. Then I unfortunately haven't found a way to go into the one-time boot menu with the keyboard. So to go to the one-time boot menu, my method on this laptop is to use a pen, a pin, a needle, or anything that's smaller than your finger. And then on the left side of the laptop, but on the right side of the charging port, you'll see this button, which is the NOVO button. It's called NOVO button, and you can use the tool, whichever one you like. I'm gonna use something like that, like this, and just press it in. It should turn on the laptop, so you don't have to press on the power button. And then simply use the arrows on your keyboard to select boot menu, click on enter and select EFI USB device. Of course, your USB device has to be plugged in before you click on the NOVO button, so make sure you have that done. And if you didn't do that earlier, just press and hold on the power button until the display goes off and click on the NOVO button again, and then you'll see EFI USB device. Click on that, point to that with arrows and click on enter. I'm actually gonna escape out of this. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.